In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create topic in Telegram group. Topics let you organize conversations inside a busy group, so related messages stay together and are easier to follow. Before we begin, make sure you are an admin in the group. Only admins can turn on and manage topics. Start by opening your Telegram app and heading to the group where you want to add topics. From the main chat, tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group's profile here. Look for the Manage option. On some devices, this might appear as Manage or Edit, but the goal is the same. You are entering the group settings. Inside the Settings menu, find the Topics option. Toggle Topics on to enable threaded conversations for the group. Turning this on prepares the group to use separate, focused discussions after you enable it. Make sure to tap Save so your change is applied. If you forget to save, the toggle won't stick and you won't see the option to create topics later. Once saved, return to the main chat screen for that group. You should now see controls to create a new topic. Depending on your device or app layout, tap the 3 vertical dots and choose Create Topic. Or tap the plus button you'll find either at the bottom of the chat list or in the top right corner. Both paths lead to the same place. The Topic Creation screen. In the Topic Creation screen, enter a clear short name for your topic. Good examples include announcements for official updates or help for support questions. A descriptive name helps members instantly know where to post. You can also choose an optional icon to visually distinguish this topic from others. This is especially helpful when your group has several ongoing threads. When you are happy with the title and icon, tap Create. That's it, your new topic appears in the group. Ready for messages. Members can open it, read what's relevant, and reply without cluttering the main feed. If you ever need to add more topics, just repeat the same creation process from the group's main chat. A quick tip: keep topic names consistent and specific so your group stays organized as it grows. And remember, if you don't see the option to create a topic, double-check that Topics is toggled on in Manage and that your changes were saved. You've now learned how to enable topics. Return to the chat and create a named, optionally icon topic in your Telegram group. Thanks for watching.